Hello from Tosh Tyres. I've got a Renault Clio here on a 15 plate. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light, but before you do that, you've got the tyre sizes right here and the pressures in the bar. Just going to switch the light off. Yep, so that's the front, that's the back, that's the front, that's the back there, and these are the sizes. You just need to make sure what you got on there. And to reset it, it's quite a simple procedure. All you got to do is press these buttons right here. So if I switch the ignition on the right hand side at the bottom, you'll see the light for the pressure warning light right there. We're going to get rid of that light. So if I start the car up, I've already done it, but I'm just going to show you how it's done. So if I press this button right here, if you see at the top where it says raise seat belt, now the miles displaying, no messages. Keep going. Now the pressures come up. I then hold the button, keep hold of it. Right, so that's doing it now. I said let go. So once that's done, you switch the ignition off, take the keys out, start the car up. That light there on the right hand side should just disappear. Capiche? Thank you very much. Anything else you need to know, please do let us know. We'll try helping you out as much as we can. Goodbye.